All right, guys, as promised, we have the Scout, guys. I made it into a 3-channel, guys, but I still cut the ailerons in there, guys. As you can see, I still got them in there, but I did not install them because I want to really use this plane to train my wife on how to fly, guys. If it's successful, should be successful, guys. I haven't built this plane in a while. That's the only thing that I have that's wrong with this plane, guys. Other than that, should be good. Now I'm running a 1500 4S milliamp battery, guys. I am running the B-Pack motor with a 945 prop, guys, from Flight Test. I have 2 9-gram servos, guys, and that's really it. I did not set it up for FPV or anything, and that's really it. Let's give it a shot, guys. Gotta bring her down, guys. Something's really wrong. Something is really wrong, guys. Maybe it's the thrust that's pushing it that way. I honestly don't know what happened. That never happened to me before, guys. So she was basically going to the left. Am I right? She still want to fly to the left, guys. I don't know, for some reason she's still flying left. Let's give it one more try. Okay, there you go. Haven't flown a 3-channel, guys, in a while. Definitely need more rates. Okay, so there you go. Bring her up a little bit more. There you go. About to say, guys, I built it pretty good, guys. Well, not even pretty good, really good, guys. Something's wrong, guys, honestly. I saved it, guys. We're gonna walk over there. I'm gonna see where my thrill's at, guys. My travel adjustment. I honestly can't put my finger on what's wrong with it, guys. Besides that, I have not flown a 3-channel plane in a while. And that's basically all I could think of. She sounds like she keeps. Never heard that, guys. Okay. Broke a little bit off right here. It's all right. It's starting to rain too, guys. What in the world? Guys, that was weird. But it's starting to rain, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. I have another problem, guys. The plane keeps like literally reconnecting, guys. Look. So we're gonna take this back home, guys, before it gets even more ruined. She's still really good, guys. As you can see, perfect, beautiful. We're gonna take it home. We're gonna inspect it. I honestly feel like I just had to put the ailerons, guys. That's literally what I feel like I have to do. So we're gonna do so, and we're gonna make another video, guys. bring this back out. I'm gonna save it because I still have the surprise, guys. I'm not gonna mention it in this video, guys, only because it did not go as planned, guys. So I'm gonna save it for when I upgrade it. But all right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. We are at 80 subscribers currently, guys. We are growing rapidly. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching all the video, guys. Once we hit, not even once, I'm trying to find what exactly I want to give away, but I'm gonna do a giveaway for the 100 subscriber, guys. When we hit 100 subscribers, we're gonna do a giveaway, guys. Nice giveaway. I actually think I want to give away 2 things. I don't know, we'll see, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys for staying around, guys, and watching all these videos. Hey, what's up, guys? So we're back at the house. As you see in the video, guys, I kept it kind of short, guys, so we can hop straight into the case, guys. Straight into the video so you guys can see exactly what's going on. I see that everybody just skips to the flying part, which I don't blame you guys. It's okay. Everybody, you know what I mean? Doesn't really matter. But this is what we came up with, guys. As you can see, she was flying really bad, guys. I honestly don't know what was wrong, guys. Now, since we're in the house, I can actually show you guys. These ailerons were not, guys, these were not moving, guys. Look, they were not moving, guys, at all. So, that definitely was not the problem. Now, let's try to see if we can see. It was pretty straight, guys. It was really actually straight. In my eyes, it's still straight. I'm gonna cut the ailerons all the way out, and I'm gonna add the ailerons right in there, guys. I'm sneaking right in there, and I promise you guys, I promise you it's going to work. I feel like that is exactly the problem, guys. But other than that, guys, I used the BPEC motor, 945 prop, a 35 amp ESC, guys, and 2 9-gram servos. I'm really surprised how I made this, guys. I was so impressed on how the precision cut that I made. Everything looked so clean. Everything was so beautiful, guys. Besides, it just kept wanting to fly to the left, guys. It might have been a thrust, maybe, but it does not move at all. It just moves up and down. That's the only thing it does. Besides that, guys, I can't put my finger on what was wrong. I was really going to save the surprise, guys, for another video, but I ain't going to show you guys real quick what I did right here. So what I did was I made my own little connector, guys, from one of my old little RC planes. I took the connector to power, and this little, I think it's a 150, and then you just connect this, guys, and this is how it looks, guys. You just sneak it right in there. I can sneak it, hide it right up in there, and it'll be fine, guys. And that's how it will look at nighttime, guys. Pretty nice, guys. She's really, really nice. I love it. I really love it. That's the only reason I'm really going to put the ailerons, guys, because I really want to try this at night. And if it's good, guys, right here, we had the little canopy, guys. I'm going to add a servo here, and we are going to mount our run cam so we can actually turn left and right and see up in the sky left and right, left and right. That should be pretty dope, guys, honestly. And if not with the run cam, I'm going to try to do it with the regular FPV goggles and put it up there, see how it feels, guys, when it's in the goggles with me. But other than that, guys, that's really it for this. I honestly can't put my finger on it. Guys, if you have any clue on anything that you think might have I literally done wrong, honestly, everything is really straight, guys. Seriously straight, guys. Like, I honestly, this is probably the most perfect plane I made so far. Like, everything precision cut, everything straight on, everything 1000%, guys. And I honestly don't know what was wrong with it. I haven't flown the 3-channel, guys, in over about 5 months, guys. It's been a little while. So, to me, that's honestly what I feel like was wrong. But besides that, guys, I don't know. What you guys think? Let me know down in the comment below if you have any idea or anything. I'm just gonna add the ailerons, guys, and I'm gonna add some real nice beefy landing gear, and that should really do the problem, guys, honestly. Because I can show you right now. Actually, I'm gonna take a knife here, guys. So see, heard it for yourself, guys. They just cracked, guys. They literally just cracked, guys. So take these right out. Take this little hinge out. We're gonna add some glue on it later. There we go, look. So for here, what I would do is take one of my little push rods, put it in between there, run it back a couple times just to stop that noise, because that's really annoying, guys. But yeah, now we have it open. As you can see, it was definitely not moving, guys, but I think that was the problem. So we're gonna wrap it up. That was it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys for watching and staying this long with us, guys. We're growing really fast, like I said, and that makes me feel really happy inside that there's a lot of people that are interested in this, guys. I actually want to get this hobby out more, even though there's a lot of people already flying, but not around my area, honestly. So that's my main goal, and to get the airplanes overseas, guys, as we said in the other video where we was flying with Carbon Vanilla. But alright, guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay creative.